Tak, tohle dneska nebudeme potřebovat. We won't be needing this today. Dobrý den, ahoj. Já vás zdravím ve speciálním videu, kde bych vám chtěla představit novinku. Welcome to the special video where I am going to present this news for you. I have a new course and here's a video where I'm going to explain what it is about. I would like to introduce my new video course. You will be learning Czech language through wonderful real-life stories from this book, Odposlechnuto v Praze, overheard in Prague. This book contains over 200 humorous stories, and I've selected 15 stories that contained interesting language for you to learn. These short stories, or anecdotes, happened in various places. At home, in the park, on the public transport, at the doctor, etc. They are about humorous, heartwarming, or even awkward or embarrassing situations that happen to people in real life in Prague. Here is how I am going to teach you. Each story will be briefly introduced, then I will read the story for you, impersonating the characters. Povídám pánovi před sebou. To je hrozné, nemehlo ta holka. This will be followed by a live translation where you will see the story on my screen and I will be reading and translating part by part.
To je hrozné, nemehlo ta holka. She is terribly clumsy, that girl.
Afterwards, I will explain the grammar and vocabulary, the metaphoric versus the literal translation here on this board. And I will also make sure that you understand the humor in this story. Nemehlo. Nemehlo means a clumsy person, butterfingers. I will explain the grammar and the vocabulary that you saw in the context in the story so that you can use it in future situations. Then there will be a reading section where I'll break the story into sentences or smaller fragments and you will repeat after me.
To je hrozné, nemehlo ta holka.
And the last part is a practice exercise where you can make sure that you've understood the grammar and the expressions that I explained to you. Who is this course for? It is for anyone who is interested in learning the Czech language through humorous short stories. There is really no need for a previous knowledge in Czech. Let's enjoy learning Czech through stories. Are you ready? I have also uploaded a sample of one of the lectures from the course, one complete lecture. Please watch it, and if you think this is something that you would enjoy, I invite you to have a look at Udemy through the link that you will find below this video, because there will be a discount for you. I will activate the discount right after I publish this video, and it will be active for 5 days. And also, because today is a special day, I put the other 2 courses that I have on discount. Please remember to click on the link to get your discount. I'm looking forward to having you as a student in one of my courses on Udemy.